We'll guide you through how to fix the disk is write protected. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're trying to go and format it, to go and change the format, or just to go and clear everything. If I go and right click on it here in File Explorer and press Format, you can go and press Start, and I'll go and press OK, you'll go and see we get the error here. Go and press Search at the bottom of your computer and type CMD or command prompt. Right click on it and press Run as Administrator, press Yes, and it'll go and open. Now what you need to do is go and type in disk part like so, and then you want to go and type in list disks like this. Next, go and type in list disk like this, and you'll go and see the different disks here. Identify the one you want to do it with. The easiest way is to go and look at the size here. So this one is 7,700 megabytes, and that's the one I want to do it with. So I'll type in select disk 3 like so. Now we can type in attributes space disk clear read only like so, and that'll then go and clear it. Now, if we come back to File Explorer, you can go and right click on it and we'll go and press Format, run it through, and you'll go and see it will then run. We don't get the error.